Hey, how's it going? This is Joe and Tell. Today we're going to be unboxing the KEF KC62 subwoofer. But first, a quick message from our show sponsor. What's up, guys? So I just moved into this new spot and I need something for one of the TVs. I'm thinking of getting a few different types of sound bars. What do you guys think?
Sound bar? For real, Joe?
Have you checked out the Polk Reserve?
What about the R200s, man? They're like some small bookshelves, but they've got some really big sound.
All right, for sure. I'll check them out and I'll let you guys know how it goes. What's up again, guys? So I have the Reserve, the R200 set up. Dude, they sound awesome. You guys got to check some out for yourself. What are you thinking over there, Chana? So I know a lot of you guys like these unboxing videos, and so this time I'm going to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to do a binaural recording. And yeah, if you're into that, put on some headphones and let's go ahead and do this unboxing experience. And so first of all, I want to say thank you to KEF for sending these out for me to review. This is the first KEF review that I've ever done, and so I hope that more of these will happen in the future. And so you'll notice that the box is actually upside down right now, and that is on purpose. It says here that I'm supposed to open on this end, on the bottom end. So let me go ahead and do that. And I'll just be quiet for a second so you can hear what's going on. Thank you to Ming for sending this knife out. Thank you to my Patreon, Ming. So I just noticed that I was having issues with the binaural recording on my computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and just scrap that from here on and just use this mic up here. Alright, so I have to say that that thing was heavy. Alright. Put that down for a second. So one thing you'll notice is that this thing is extremely heavy. Solid. So this is made out of aluminum, and that's so that it doesn't resonate. That's what they're trying to avoid. So let's take a look at the side here. So let me go ahead and put this face up. Actually, let me show you the bottom real quick. So it has rubber feet to keep it from walking. Okay, so this is not cold to the touch like the side, so this I assume is plastic. Feels like some kind of paper or polypropylene cone. And then you have the inverted dust cap, or I guess inverted cone, and inverted surround. Okay, so this is a force canceling woofer, meaning that there's another woofer on the side and they're actually connected in the middle. Kind of crazy. On the front here, I'm not sure what this is. Doesn't feel like a button, probably a light. And on the back, take a look at that. This thing is really heavy. All right. So here you have this, I'm not sure what this is, EXP. You have HPF, high pass filter, and you have some dip switches here. Phase from 180 to 0. And then different EQ settings. It says here room, wall, corner, cabinet, and apartment. This is all plastic here. Mode, manual, and LFE. And then crossover. You have a crossover from 40 Hertz to 140. Let's hear that. A few notches there so you can tell exactly where it's at. And same with the volume. Okay, so on off switch. And then your ground lift, I'm not sure what that is. And then high level speaker input, and that's what this is for here. Okay, so I guess you'd connect that, plug in your speaker cables into there. Then you have your line input, there's LFE, and there's this thing that says Smart Connect, I'm not sure exactly what that is, I'll have to find out. And then line output. So there it is. Sure, you guys are going to have a lot of questions about this sub and also how it compares to something like the SVS 3000 Micro, and so I definitely plan on doing that comparison and very interested in hearing how these sound. So stay tuned. Actually, let me go get the 3000 Micro to give you an idea of the size difference. Alright, so here we have on both the SVS 3000 Micro with dual 8-inch opposing woofers and the KEF KC62 with dual 6.5, so that should be interesting. As far as size difference, I wouldn't say it's significant, but definitely the KEF is smaller and way heavier, because this I believe is this is made out of MDF here, and so you can tell that this one's lighter, but this one, heavy. So yeah, there you have it. That's the unboxing of the KEF KC62. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below so I can make sure to try to answer those in my full review. Anyway, if you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care. Bye-bye.